How to increase stamina in bed by food. 1. Wild salmon. Trying to heat things up after your dinner date? Be sure to order the wild salmon. The fish is a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which aid nitric oxide production, helping you stay hard. Plus, additional research has found that cutting back calories and sticking to a Mediterranean-style diet rich in produce, fish, whole grains, and healthy fats can improve erectile function in men with metabolic syndrome. Just make sure you're ordering the right kind by reading this special "Eat This, Not That" report on the 8 reasons why you're eating the wrong kind of salmon. 2. Bananas. Fitting, right? This sexual innuendo may be able to help you go. That's because this tropical fruit is full of simple carbs to provide you with energy and potassium to help you keep going. The muscle-relaxing mineral prevents cramps and muscle spasms that may impede your sexy time. 3. Ginger. If you like your food like you like your lovers sweet and spicy, you're in luck. Ginger is another food that can improve your sex life by aiding blood flow and improving artery health. According to a study in the International Journal of Cardiology, consuming a mere teaspoon of the stuff a few times a week is all you need to reap the heart-healthy benefits. So, go ahead and place that second order of sushi this week, just don't leave the ginger on your plate. 4. Quinoa. Looking to make sex a marathon and not a sprint? Swapping out your dinner roll for a side of quinoa may do the trick if you are looking to last and last fast. Not only is quinoa one of the few plant-based sources of complete protein, but it's also one of the top high-fiber foods. Because it takes your body a longer time to digest fiber, eating these nutrient-dense foods provides your body with more long-lasting energy levels so you can go the distance. 5. Pomegranate juice. Some scholarly minds believe it wasn't an apple, but a pomegranate with which Eve tempted Adam in the Garden of Eden, and it wouldn't shock us if that were the case. A recent study published in the International Journal of Impotence Research discovered that pomegranate juice, rich in antioxidants that support blood flow, can help improve erectile dysfunction. 6. Apples. An apple a day doesn't just keep the doctor away, it may also help to extend your sexual stamina. It's all thanks to apples' high levels of quercetin, an antioxidant flavonoid that has been found to play a role in improving endurance. And since your body goes through many of the same physical changes during sex as it does during exercise, elevated heart rate, increased metabolism, burned calories, and muscle contractions, you can equate endurance with extending your time in bed.